Why did War Machine's ex-wife missile misfire? When War Machine fired the ex-wife, a missile developed by Hammer Tech, it was supposed to be a powerful weapon capable of leveling buildings. So why did it suddenly misfire? Many assume the missile is just a dud, but the real issue is that Rhodey didn't know how to use it properly. If you look closely, there's a line of text on the missile that outlines its usage. The ex-wife is a kinetic kill missile that relies on the speed of the launcher to maximize its destructive power. The faster it's fired, the more damage it inflicts. For the missile to gain enough kinetic energy, it needs to fly a long distance at supersonic speeds. However, Rhodey made two crucial mistakes. He stood still instead of flying fast, and he was too close to the target. If it had detonated at that range, everyone around would have been toast. Of course, this might also be a deliberate choice by the filmmakers. After all, if War Machine could take out the villain with one missile, it would leave Iron Man with nothing to do.